Good afternoon, everyone, especially to our lovely and handsome visitors here. Good afternoon, Scan Class Deck.
Afternoon.
Again, good afternoon, Scan Class Deck.
Afternoon.
We're here to present our role play. The objectives of this is we'll be able to role play the scenes from the two novels of Silujan, then able to present the characters appropriately. Then our scene is the chase on the lake. Then the presenters
Chase on the lakes.
Then the presenter are Brunyola, Cadet Brunyola was Ibarra. Then Dumagan and Villanueva, Sentinel and Garriega is the Ias. Then me is the narrator. Then the chase on the lake starts.
Listen, sir, I will bring you to a friend of mine. I'll bring all your money that I carried and buried near the tomb of your grandfather. Then you leave this country. To go abroad? Yes, to live in peace. There you have lots of friends. You are rich. You can get yourself pardoned. You owe your misfortunes to me, yes. You have saved my life twice. Why not join me to go abroad? It's impossible. It's true. I cannot love or be happy here, but I can die and suffer for a reason. You're so unfair, yes. Don't be offended, sir. Your words pain me. I wish to disillusion you, sir. But I have saved you from this sad future. You're right, yes, you're right. Now that my eyes have seen what's the truth, the horrible cancer that faces the society, it provoked me to become a criminal. I will become a filibuster, a real filibuster.
The passing in front of the General Captain's palace.
Dare you recognize your fight? Welcome, sir. I will cover you in this taking.
Where did you came from?
I came from Manila. I delivered this taking.
Upon. But, did you ever take anybody from your bank account? Because a prisoner had just escaped. Do you understand?
Or what?
Then moving out to the Pasig River, talking with different matters until
Oh, a police boat is after us. You know how to manage the ship, sir? Yes, right. Hide in the sake. Then I will jump into the river for them to chase me. And then they will be off the track with this boat.
then
Sakit.
Oh!
Try!
wanted Elias, but he managed to escape from Sentinel's last battle on the sea.
Ay, bugal-bugal.
Now, I'm sure that guy is the prisoner we're looking for. This guard is dead now. Okay, let's go back and